Hello guys, welcome back on our technology welfare. Let's learn and what's be practical in these tutorials. Any similarity that has been especially hijacked or hacked by someone or changed a password by someone, or in a case unfortunately you have lost your device. How do you quickly recover it without registered Gmail ID or without especially recovering mobile number and OTP? How do you access to recover it quickly? Today, one viewer who has recommended to other recovers in this, and of course, I am trying to recover by giving sufficient information or providing enough information for Google to be sure that this account is really mine. How do I access to recover it? Don't worry, without recovery's email ID and without registered mobile number, of course you can recover your Gmail ID when you provide enough information for Google to be sure that your account is really yours. So see right here guys, if I try again, what's the messages are coming here? Just we will go for next, and here we have a choice, try another way, otherwise we will have to type the password, so we don't know password, so just we will go for try another way. Now as we see here is a device that we will have to get OTP or especially some code there we will have to tap especially yes, and thereupon we can, so it doesn't have right now this device also, so just we will go for try another way. Now see, now this is a particular number that we will have to especially enter, we don't know, so just we will don't have number. Then of course we have a second number that is also especially give it here, we don't have, so now see guys here, now it's a things that couldn't sign in you, so just we will cut it from here and directly we will come the Play Store and we will have to write here AI browser. Here it is, just Opera browser below, just AI browser, we will hint it and we'll go for install it. This will assist you especially very fastly to recover your particular ID that you want without having this kind of the thing. So just by providing the enough informations to be Google that this account is mine, guys. So almost 39%, so let it install here. Now we will come in a especially Google product and we will hold this Gmail, on Google browser. We will click on a especially help icon and thereupon we will come the permission notification, we will enable and disable. Let it be a disabled. If it is enabled then you will have to disable. Go for in the permission, navigate the locations, of course you will land it here, try allow, you will have go for especially use precise location off, and thereupon of course we will click here don't allow anyway. Now we will back and of course here once more time we will back and notification is already blocked, so here just we will go in there and link just clear to our supports, and thereupon we will back, we will come in a Chrome browser, hold it, and thereupon of course you will get a Chrome browser in the Google product. It has been also a special browser of Google's. So now we will block the location notification, so it's enable, now disable. Now we will go for navigate the location by coming the permission. Of course we will click on here allow don't allow, and the precise location we will have to turn off and we will click here don't allow anyway. Fine. Now we will be here. Of course we will try to go in the once again in the Chrome browser and upon of course we will hold it and click on a help icons, and upon here once again we will come now that is a default browser app. So see guys here, and just come the permission to location, it is already done. So just we will back and Chrome app browser, here AI browser, we will have to pick some these ones and upon leave it. Now we will come in AI browser that has been installed already, so just let it open now. Now just we will go for here, click on try again now, and now see it has started to loading in progress, and we will wait here. Now we will go for here, see, right on browser. So now see we have options for everything but for recovery, but we don't have here. So just we will back and we will click on a Google. So let me type here keyboard, we will have to select, and of course in this keyboard of this. Now we will write here Google. Google, just we will go for click on here. Now just we will keep ads. Now we will have to go for sign in guys, simple. Now here we will have to type a particular ID that we want. See guys, just we will have to write here particular ID name 992 and thereupon of course we will have @gmail.com. we will go for next guys. Now it's asking here also password, just we will go for forgot. So now see it's asking especially motto, so just we will go with a try another way. Now of course we don't have number, so we will click here, we don't have. Now these ones also we don't have. Now here don't click on a try again, so otherwise of course your account will be freeze 4 times. So in that condition what we have to do, more tips to the recover we will have to go for. So just let it cut from here, and upon of course we will come in especially, we will have to come in especially I'm setting. Of course tap on a especially in setting to on a Google service. So this is a Google service, and click on especially 3 dot, we have a help options of course, and here if I back one more time, see guys here give feedbacks, we have options, by that also we can access, but right now here just we will come now help search bar, and upon of course we will click on send feedbacks, and upon here screenshots, just to see we will go for get started, and upon here just we will here right here Gmail, and of course we will go with especially continue. Now we will go for here Now we will go for here, cut it from here, and upon of course in the help search bar here, let me especially continue writing, and of course we will go for cut it from here, discard, and upon of course we will go for manage your accounts, manage your locations, delete your accounts, and can sign in, and the information that we will a little bit backs, and of course we will click on a three dot, we will come the help search bar, and upon of course here we'll go for in the help search bar. Here we will have two types, lost, and of course here the stolen device, and upon here in a SPCLC post to the community, and the help of these things, just let it click on here. It is not the coming, so in that condition, see, lost, erase, etc. These are coming. The set of the recovery, say especially number and email. These things are not the coming. So just we will go with the especially comments to fixes, and upon. Now see guys, here of course we have many much more options. Just we will go for here just account recovery phase, and upon of course we will go for tips to the complete recovery, and here just to see what we will go with, especially right now Google account.coms, and if I see Google account recovery phase or page, now see directly automatically it has gone, and here is asking that type the pass especially this ID particular. So let's see this ID it was, and upon so just we will go for here to next it. So see guys, here directly we will be landed here, and here is asking especially welcome backs. Here we have option one is update password, the second is especially go for continuation. So here we are not going for continue, just we will click on update password, and here we have an opportunity to create the strong password here also we can escape it, and directly there we can add their recovery's email ID, we can add their recovery mobile number, and upon of course we can save it. So without changing also, then we will have further more options to generate password, a strong password. Otherwise of course we will have an opportunity also to recover when we lost. So two options more. So this is all about guys. Right now while recording of this screens, we are not going to create here the strong password, but however by a similar procedure you can go for, but don't click on especially continue, otherwise you will have to answer for the main inquiry, then you will be able to reset the password. So this is easily, yes, you can access to the recover. So this is all about in this video tutorial. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys, and if you felt that is informative and knowledgeable, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these contents, and of course spontaneously if you are facing any kind of the query, then blindly have the query below the comment box, and the pleasure will be mine to the reply of the query. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.